Sitting in the man cave. Ah, boy. And I got something I want to talk to y'all about. So, I have decided that I will be, don't y'all mind this right here is BeeloNation merch and anime merch and all that good stuff. It's still sitting here. We ain't gonna worry about it. Okay. I have finally decided that on the channel, man, we gonna take it up a notch. I have officially included memberships on the channel, man. You're welcome to join at your leisure. Nothing will change really. Well, nah, I take it back. Some stuff will change. Still gonna get videos, still gonna get, you know what I'm saying? You know, still gonna be, the content still gonna be there. But, I've been doing a little working out, that don't look good, don't it? Ooh. Anyway, the content is gonna be the same for the most part, but there will be some changes as far as in-depth content, as far as you know, when I go in-depth about certain things on the car, certain things with the motor, certain things with, you know what I'm saying, whatever it may be, it's gonna be in it's gonna be members only type videos. And I will tell you the different stages that I have on memberships. So let's just get straight into that. I got it here on the phone. Okay, I have 3 different levels of memberships. Alright. The first level is Nation. It's just Nation. You know what I'm saying? That's in BeeloNation, but it's just Nation. Right? It's $2.99. You get your loyalty badges and you get your priority reply to comments. Loyalty badge, it's a badge that, you know, if I'm live or some things like that, comments and stuff like that, you can use these badges and that separates you from regular subscribers. You know what I mean? That separates you. I know who this person here is. Like, okay, they in the nation. You know what I'm saying? Prior to reply to comments, your comments will be put at the top of the list every time. That way, you know what I'm saying, I'm getting to you all first, regardless of how many. I can have 1,000 comments, yours gonna always be at the top of the chain. That's it for that level. The next level is Big Nation. Big Nation. Did I tell y'all the price of Nation? If I didn't, it's $2.99. Okay. Big Nation is $6.99, and it includes the perks from the previous Nation. It includes those perks, the loyalty badge and the priority reply to comments. But you also have member shoutouts, members only live streams, BeeloNation savings, and that'll be something that I put in there for the merch for y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Promo codes, all that good stuff right there, and members only live chats. So that's pretty much, all this stuff is pretty much self-explanatory. The live streams, it'll be members only, of course. You know what I'm saying? You only the members on the live streams You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's self-explanatory. The members on the live chat is only those members will be able to comment in that chat, in that live stream. Like I said, shout outs. And the shout outs will go across social medias. BeeloNation savings, like I said, promo code, stuff like that. Ain't it mine gang? It's level 3. Ain't it mine gang? It is $9.99. Once again, it includes the perks from the previous levels, the previous first 2 levels of what I just mentioned, and the Anime Gang will have access to different polls. I might have a question about something like, man, what y'all think I need to do here next? You know what I'm saying? I might have polls, or I might have questions, or the Anime Gang gets to leave their feedback on, okay, yeah, Beelo, well, I think you need to do this right here, or I think you need to do this, or I think this would be cool if you added this, or, you know, things of that nature. You get their feedback. New activity, meaning y'all get the Anime Gang gets the post. They get the post, and they get the status updates on the YouTube. You know what I'm saying? On the community tab, y'all will be the only ones that'll be able to see updates and status, stuff like that, posts and status updates and stuff like that. Y'all will be the only ones that'll be able to see that. So yeah, also I'm trying to get it on that $9.99 one. And this is a month. I'm trying to get it to where I can throw in something to send to y'all. Trying to get it to that. So I don't know how that's gonna go right now. I'm really trying to work something out with that though. But that will be the no line no wait section of that particular level. Like I said, I'm trying to get that together so that I can get that out for y'all. But yeah, those are my 3 levels, man. The Nation, $2.99. Big Nation, $6.99. The Anime Gang, it's $9.99. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, y'all can go back and look at those perks, see what y'all got going on as far as those levels of membership. I ain't want to bust nobody head and do the, I've seen people, man, they got 20 something, 99, 30, 99, and I ain't want to bust nobody head. You know what I'm saying? $10, man, people spend that on the highest one. Like I said, the highest one, $10. Man, people spend that on bullshit every day. You know what I'm saying? People spend it on bullshit. People don't care about no $10. So, you know what I'm saying? If there's something, and I'm not forcing anybody to be a part of these memberships. I'm not forcing anybody to be a part of membership. I'm just telling you how the channel will be run from this point forward. You know what I'm saying? Like all of that stuff. Like I feel like I give out knowledge. I give out a little knowledge. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like, you know what I'm saying? I feel like I should be compensated for that at some point. Like I said, I ain't busting nobody head. I ain't trying to bust nobody head. I'm not even asking you to go over there. You don't even have to be a member. I'm not asking you to be a member. But I'm telling you where most of the important stuff will be. Hey, and plus, I mean, y'all getting knowledge, right? Hey, y'all paying, well, I ain't gonna say y'all, but there's people paying more than that for this OnlyFans content going on around here. And y'all can't even touch them. I'm just saying. Y'all getting something from me y'all can use. Y'all can't use nothing from them. But that's neither here nor there. But yeah, man, I wanted to get on here, and say that, you know what I'm saying, let y'all know what was up with that. The way that you join, when you log on to my page, there will be a join button on there on my page. You know what I'm saying? And tap that join. Yeah, go ahead and feel free to go through the different levels and see what's what. Also, I still have the super chats, the super thanks, and the super stickers. I also still have those open, and you know that's a donation within itself. I think you donate whatever you want with that. You just buy a sticker or buy a thanks or whatever, and you just, you know what I'm saying, do that. And I think that's normally during the live streams, I think. But I got the supers. So yeah, man. I just wanted to come by and let y'all know what was going on with that, man. You know what I'm saying, just in case nobody's seen the changes on the channel, on the homepage or whatnot. Just wanted to come by and let y'all and speak with y'all about that. Also, man, I will be I don't know if y'all seen it, but I have an introduction video on my channel from way back in the day. Like way back in the day when I first got MayRose. I got an introduction video up there. I will be reintroducing myself. I will be revisiting the introductory video and posting that. So if you haven't seen that introduction video, go ahead and check that out. It's crazy how I've grown. I watched it the other day. It's crazy how I've grown since that video. It's crazy how I've grown since that videos came out, but yeah, man, your boy's a little different now. So, yeah, we're in a different statue of YouTuber now. So it was funny to see that. But yeah, so with that being said, man, like I said, visit that video. Put a comment on that video. Put a comment on the introduction video, man, so I can, you know what I'm saying, so I can see that everybody went to it and seen it and watched it, and you know what I'm saying, and y'all can compare the growth or whatever y'all want to do. But I'm gonna give it to, I maybe give it to next week, and I'm gonna go ahead and redo it. So yeah, just wanted to come out here and let y'all know that, man. Hopefully I see y'all in one of these levels of membership. If not, it's cool. You know what I'm saying? There's still a lot of other options and ways to support the channel. You know what I'm saying, with the supers, super thanks, super super thanks, super chat, and super stickers. So there's still ways that you can help support the channel, man. Keep the channel going. With that being said, it's your dog, man. Big B-Lo, Mr. Anime himself. I'll catch y'all in the next one, man.